Welcome to my playroom where we talk about all toys that are family loved and parent friendly. And if you want to find some great toys for your little ones, this is from Fisher-Price, a 3-set. This is from Fisher-Price, and I'm going to go over 3 well-loved toys that every child will like. This is for your youngest children. Look at this cute little camera playset. It has the clickable spinning wheel here that shows different pictures, little animals, little frogs, lions, and it's got cute little froggies to look in here to pretend like you're looking in a real camera. It has a little rattle, and these round pieces, they're all teethers and baby safe, and a cute little mirror front there for the baby to see themselves and delight in the joy of holding up a camera and taking a picture, as well as seeing their adorable faces. This Fisher-Price toy is so cute. Now, these were provided for me, for my honest opinion, and who doesn't love Fisher-Price toys, right? Let's look at the next one. And watch till the end, because I'm going to give you an infographic with all these specific child development reasons that these toys are great for your kids. Now, this is the adorable rolling, popping popcorn play toy that will teach your children to table play as well as walk and play. And look at the little happy face, that same sweet little smile we've been seeing for a long time. These spinnable wheels, all of this can be held in the hand of small children, and it interacts with them as they move, teaching them hand-eye coordination as well as beautiful colors and super fun toys. Whether they play with it on the table or on the floor, this one is well loved by all children. And of course, everyone's favorite, the telephone. Now, this great toy, also like the handheld rolling popcorn popper, this is your beautiful toy phone. Now listen to this. They get that familiar ring that everyone loves from their Fisher-Price toys. These little vintage style throwback toys have all the great things that we loved as children, and we can share with our children. And we can share with our children and grandchildren. Now, I love the colors. They're beautiful. Primary colors with the soft touch. Everything is aesthetically pleasing and soft edges, nothing they can hurt themselves on. Now, this classic toy set is a must-have for every baby list. It's a great gift, and it's just a lovely little, sweet little surprise to give your children. Take a look at each one of these up close. Classic gift set. You can't go wrong with a beautiful gift set from Fisher-Price. These were provided for my honest opinion, and I love them. I love Fisher-Price toys. I know your kids will too.